The United Nations was founded in 1945, 24th of October, after the Second World War. The main aim or main objective of the foundation of UN was to maintain international peace and security. Today, UN has 193 member states. India was among the founding member of UN. So, in the role of formation of UN, about India's role, we will write about India signed UN Charter on 30th October 1945. India has always supported the UN's role in promoting peace, development, and human rights. India's contribution to UN peacekeeping. In this we can write, India is one of the largest contributor to UN peacekeeping missions. Indian troops have participated in missions in countries like Korea, Congo, Sudan, Lebanon, Ethiopia, and more. India is known for professionalism and sacrifice in peacekeeping. Now, India and the Security Council. Security Council is the main and important organ of UN, and in the UNSC, United Nations Security Council, we have only 15 members. Out of these 15, there are 5 permanent members having veto power. These 5 permanent members are USA, UK, Russia, France, and China. The remaining 10 non-permanent members are elected for 2-year terms. India has been elected as a non-permanent member up to 8 times from 2021 to 2022. After 2 years, a country cannot be re-elected. India's demand for permanent membership. India always become only non-permanent member, but always demanded for a permanent membership, because for the below criteria, India fulfill the criteria to become a permanent member. India is the second most populous country in the world, and to become a permanent member, country should have a large population. Country should have a good growing economy and democracy. So India is growing in its economy and have a major democracy. Then contribute to UN budget on peacekeeping. India is always supported peacekeeping matters established by UN and contribute in the UN budget also. Represent the global south developing world. Yes, India is a representative of the developing world and also part of global south. So India is supported by some countries for the permanent membership like Russia, France, UK, but some opposing India. They don't want India to become a permanent members like Pakistan and China. So UN members have tried to become permanent member and India is among them all. Now, India's support for the UN reform. UN was formed in 1945 and in 2005 there were some judicial reforms, but after 1965 no structural reforms were there. So India wants there should be expansion of permanent and non-permanent members of the UN Security Council, and India also voiced for the UN must support the developing countries. India contribute to UN ideals like India promote peaceful coexistence, disarmament, climatic action and sustainable development, human rights and anti-racism. Criticism of UN. UN also criticized India and other countries criticize UN for being dominated by powerful nations because they have veto power, and there is a lack of reforms in key organs like Security Council. So UN in a unipolar world, very much important topic. So how dominance of US affect the function of UN, or explain the examples how US has used its power to influence UN decision. It's very important for board exam. So what you must write the unipolar word. Unipolar word signifies the sole supremacy of